Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change or delete your recovery phone number in Gmail. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Gmail and select the gear icon up at the top right. Just go ahead and left click on that. And select See All Settings. Select Accounts and Import. And then where it says Change Password Recovery Options, scroll down, Recovery Phone, go ahead and select that. And then you have to enter in your password in order to go on to that setting page. At this point, go ahead and add or edit a recovery phone number you have on this list, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.